Gently pull the wire until it comes to rest on the orchid. Notice the color change in the floral foam as it absorbs the water.
Texture introduction, because it's bringing in the round little bell shape of the heather that will really just give you a little bit more drama to your design. Between these lines, it's a refreshing break for the eye. It stops in between the design. It lets your eye just say, oh, okay, now let's go on to the next part.
So we began by placing one of our taller flowers, our glad. Bring the water up through the exposed water tubes. It creates a good line also. So you can see here we have our triangle, and then we have the two triangles to either side. Now I'll begin to fill in with those with a balance of a design. Remember that working in balance, we want to consider the visual balance as well as the physical balance. So having established the line of the greenery, I've also established the size that my bouquet will be in the end. So as you can see now, when the bride moves down the aisle, the bouquet would have a little motion.
Rotate a quarter of a turn. Now, I like to lay all my flowers out in all these different piles, and the reason I do that is so that I don't have to think about where everything goes. I just go from one segment to the next. I really want to add a little bit of extra pizzazz to the bouquet. So we're going to take some plumosa and do the left to right placement, grab it, take it over the bouquet, and belong underneath. Now,
I want to share with you today some information on the principles of floral design. And it's that motion and that sense of energy that everything is going this way and again quickly turning back this way that's showing our tension in the design. The arrangement already. But the texture of the berry is a nice contrast to some of the other textures that we have in the arrangement.